been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
So good morning. I have a business meeting right now with hopefully a potential okay, I will be back in a second, guys. So hey guys, and welcome back to the William fam. Today I look all glammed up. I had a meeting for some business this morning, so but I am all glammed up because today is photo shoot day. So it's behind the scenes photo shoot day, but you guys are not going to see this on this channel. You're going to have to go and watch my other channel to see the behind the scenes preparation of how I take my pictures and my content for the website. So yes, for those who did not know, your girl is finally doing the biz. Yes, finally doing the biz. But anyways, I just wanted to come and give you guys a heads up. Mr. Williams is currently sleeping, so you know what the deal is, and the kids them school, so you already know. They are not out at school. They're actually in the living area at school. Yeah, because I kept my kids online at home. I didn't want to put them out there, even though they're saying that the kids them had to be vaccinated if they're 12 and over to be in school. I'm not quite 100% sure about that. I'm not ready for my kids to go through that yet. So yeah, so for now they are still online learning, which is good. And hey, we still get to spend time together. They get a little bit of break and I get a little bit of help. So that is what we are doing for today. So yeah, I'm currently setting up my background, but yeah, and I also gotta cook, so I have a really hectic day today, but I will try and bring you guys along and let you guys see how it goes. Guys, this has been a whole process. Oh my goodness. Well, I started cooking because I need to cook. As you can see, my backdrop is still up, and yeah, today is just not the day. I have to get some other stuff because it's just been a frustrating day trying to get this. I need somebody to take the photos for me, but the problem I'm having is the lighting, so I need to order some more back lighting. My ring light alone, the one light won't do, and the bulbs that are in here are yellow, so I'm having that, and I want my pictures to be nice and clear for this website. Like, it's just and I'm not going to pay for a photographer for my first launch. No, and I can pretty much finesse it myself as best as I can. I want to try and do this, and then when I get up there and your girl starts making money, then I will get my photographer. If I had a model modeling my own outfit, then that would be different, because then I could take the pictures. But since I am doing everything on my own, yeah, hopefully I can get some help soon. Okay guys, so it is way later in the night. I literally had to stop because dinner had to be made, hubby had to be taken care of, and the kids. So now I am finishing my other shoot, but cheers guys. I am having a small little drink, and now I'm going to change into my next outfit because I've done the 2 places that I wanted to do my content for, so that is done. Now on to the other outfit. I want to try and get everything done tonight because hubby's gone to work, so I don't wake him up, because he said I woke him up earlier because I was still trying to be quiet, but I was still, I guess, loud and where I was taking the pictures and stuff like that. So yeah, but anyways guys, yeah, so that is what I am currently doing right now. So I am going to get my other outfit on, and yeah, let's get this photo shoot. Now this is more homey fit that is gonna go on, so let's go switch out and I'll be back. Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to another William family vlog. Don't mind me, my hair, I look horrible. I look horrible, but that's okay. I have been up early this morning. Mr. Williams gone to work, so he is back on days. Yeah, so he's back on days. Well, for now, we'll see how it goes. It was so strange, and like for me going to bed, because usually I go to bed about 4 o'clock in the morning, 3 to 4 in the morning, and then I'm up by like 7, 8. Yeah, so I get maybe 3 to 4 hours sleep, if that's it, and then through the day I am just going. So I say no sleep for the wicked, totally no sleep for the wicked. But today I am here. I've been up a while now and just been busy working, getting things done, even though it doesn't look like he's in school.
That makes it look homeless.
I have this one here. They're supposed to be in class.
It's not mine.
It's mine now.
No, it's not.
Mom, this is mine.
That's mine.
No,
Still
this
gotta
is
work in it.
mine. You're not in grade 7.
Doesn't matter.
They're supposed to be in class.
I am in class. My teacher is just.
Oh yeah, I'm running jobs in our jobs.
What is he doing again?
Explain
Oh,
this
going
to the
over
new
the stuff for
student.
the new student.
Yeah.
And I already did the jam board, so I don't got nothing to do.
Yeah. Oh, you don't have nothing to do? Oh, that is so nice.
Until he assigns work and it's gym class.
Remember last night did
I
you
can't wait
do
to
your
get new
piano?
glasses. I hate these now.
Oh, you love them. Don't you remember when you first got them? You were so
Exactly.
excited for your pink glasses.
Yeah, bigger because
Oh, God. Yeah, she was so excited for her glasses. She couldn't wait to literally get them. She's like, I got glasses. Until she went to school and everybody started making fun of her because she had her glasses. Then she started hating it.
See for you, Jeff.
She started hating her glasses. And then she hardly wear it. She only
when I
wear it.
got mine, literally every one of my friends practically got glasses.
Yeah. So, well, you never make fun of other people because you never knows the reason why. And if y'all did not know, I had prescription glasses.
Wait, why?
Yes,
They were
I
all
did.
green?
I did. And so be it that, I don't know, my eyes have been fine. Yeah, and I wasn't able to wear them anymore.
I didn't know you
No,
had
guys, I didn't have
glasses.
no type of surgery to have my eyesight corrected. But yeah, I had glasses, I think, was it like, it's been years. I used to wear glasses when I was like 17, maybe 18, 19. Yeah, around there. 18, 19, 20, around that age.
No, I've been wearing glasses since I was in grade 3.
So, no, not grade 3, grade 4.
No, we got.
Yeah, today's a gloomy day. It was
I
raining
look
this
5 years.
morning. Like, I woke up, I think about 4 something, and I heard like it storming outside. But I don't think we're doing much today. I just took out some meat to prep for dinner.
Why it made me look so red? I'm not that red.
What?
I mean, my eyes look. Big.
What, your glasses?
Mm.
Oh my goodness. And guys, Ursa's almost taller than Fate. Look at this.
She doesn't want me to be taller than
Hers
her.
is almost taller than Fate, but she will be taller. She will be definitely. I think she'll be taller than Memphis too, if not mistakenly.
Memphis saying go cut that fruit like them if you get
So, but she's tall. I think I should probably try and get her in some modeling because she has the body for it. So the kids them are literally supposed to be back in school, but I oppose that they're taking a break. I am taking a little bit of a break myself, a little bit of a break myself, and then I gotta get some stuff done. So yeah, that's pretty much what we are doing. So it's a general weekday school day, and oh, I have those things I need to tag. I gotta finish tag the inventories.
You, it's Memphis.
Where?
The white rat.
You guys can help me. I gotta finish tag some
Yay!
inventory.
Memphis.
Memphis, I think, is it your attendance? So
Floaty.
yeah, but I just got up and had a tea and stuff like that. Well, I've been up a long time ago, but I had breakfast. Didn't really have breakfast. I don't really eat breakfast so in the morning.
I eat a fruit.
I eat like more brunch time, if anything. Whether I would have been at work or at school or just home, I generally don't really have breakfast in the morning. Only on weekends I think we actually make actual breakfast in this family here. It's only on like weekends, and that's sometimes, not all the time either. So, but that's pretty much what we're here doing. Memphis just sweep the floor, huh? Memphis just sweep the floor.
Memphis, we're learning about.
Was your teacher calling you? Well, I'm about to start prepping dinner. As you can hear in the background.
It's my art teacher.
Oh, it's your art teacher. Oh Lord. Yeah. Huh?
You can hear mine.
I know, I could literally hear, but guys, don't mind my hair. Like, I've been so busy working, my hair just looks cray right now. But that's okay. This is the all natural. That's okay. This is just the look you guys are gonna get for now. So, yeah. So I'm starting to prep dinner now, and then yeah. So I'm gonna prep dinner and then basically put it on a little bit, and yeah, to make sure dinner is ready by the time hubby comes home. Because I always like to cook to make sure he gets a hot meal when he comes home. It's not cold and he has to heat it up, and that's basically for the days that I'm not extremely busy and can't do that. So that is what I am currently doing right now. So I'm just gonna go prep dinner, and then I guess I will show you guys when I'm cooking. Yes. Alright guys, so I'm still seasoning my chicken here, my chicken breast, and this is the potato and the asparagus. So these are going in the oven, and yeah, that is what we are having for today for dinner. Something just woo, nice and simple. Not too much. I think I'm gonna put these on top. Alright, so dinner is almost ready, and these kids are pretty much annoying me. Look at them. You're literally
That was a nice slap.
is almost finished. I am just literally just finished showering and stuff like that. Hubby's still not home yet from work, and the kids them are just in here just annoying each other, pretty much is what they're doing, and in the meantime annoying me. So they're out there, I don't even know, playing kick war or whatever. But yeah, I'm not doing too much. Just got off the phone, had a couple of phone calls that I gotta make, that I had done. Could say I had a very productive day today, so which is good. Can't complain when I have a productive day. Always put me in a better mood and that feel good mood. So yeah, so I just pretty much got dressed and I'm wearing just a comfy lounge wear in the house. I just wanted it to be a little bit spiffy, you know. Hubby's coming home, so still want to make sure that I look decent. You don't want to look, well, you know, to par. Hubby's coming home, so got to make sure I put myself together than the way you guys saw me on camera before. Oh man, so I am just here and yeah. Faith, did you finish using the bathroom?
No.
So you'll have to stuff them in there. Seriously, what?
What if you cut me?
Cut you? I'm not going to cut you.
No, mommy. You sound like a psychopath.
What? Oh. You have no faith in your mother?
Yeah. I have faith in me, actually.
What are you doing?
Texting my friend.
Oh, I didn't know you have friends.
Wow, mommy. No. He's my snake. I'm just joking.
What? What did you just say?
I'm just joking.
So I don't understand what you guys mean. You're tired of school and you want to go. You want to what? You want to go in school?
Yeah.
So if you're tired of school online, you're gonna be tired of school in school.
No,
You guys remember, before all of this happened, remember all of you guys used to complain and be like, "Oh, mom, it's too cold. I don't want to go outside. I don't want to do this." Now that you guys are inside the house and you're doing school online, and you have even more free time to go on social media, because half the time that's what you guys are doing, you're still complaining.
That's your big bulby-headed son out there. Okay, you see me? When I only complain about the cold because I get up 6:30 in the morning.
Well, welcome to high school. You'll be getting up even earlier.
And then after I'd go to school. I'd go to school.
You see, in life you can't please people. No matter how much you try to do for them, you still can't please them regardless.
No, but when I went to
And
school,
I guess that's just a part of life.
when I went to school and then I was about to come home, I didn't want to come home because there was this kid at school. He would give trouble for the entire day and then have less work. Thank you very much. Yeah. And then we were having fun at school.
Oh, you're having fun.
And there was a lot of
I
drama.
thought, Mom, school's boring. I don't want to be here. And then you're like, oh my gosh, I had 3 more years left.
Yeah, I'm happy. I have 3 years left of hell. Not even school. Can't wait till I'm done. And then I have more school to go to.
It's a system.
And people go to school
It's called the
sometimes.
system, the rat race, the cycle that you all have to go through.
Yo, Memphis.
Yeah.
This is named for you. The rat
Always
race.
sit and you wonder who invented this whole thing about get up and work almost 7 days a week, go to school until you're like,
He's dead.
well, you pretty much can go to school up till the age of you pass, right? And you work pretty much up till the day you die. I'm sure if a lot of people had thought about like being born into this earth and be like, oh shit, I gotta go to school. I spend half my life in school, and then after you're done school, you spend the rest of your life working. A lot of people will probably reconsider and be like, yeah, I don't think I signed up for all of this. Oh, you gotta keep an eye on this stuff in the oven. But anyways, so Faith is going to... We will be back.
A lot of rough fears we see. No point we left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet and how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.